Hello everyone, I'm jdflutes. Folks, this here is a large bore bass A tuned to 528 Hertz, the frequency of love. This flute here is actually a customer's flute. It's been produced with aromatic cedar. It has an oil finish. It's been bored using a gun drill. It's 1 1/4 inch bore. I feel like this flute came out really nicely, folks. It has my one turquoise stone on the fetish block. It's been wrapped with soft, genuine black deer leather. The finger holes, as you can see, they are small and they are close together. Up on the bottom, try not to hit my light. We'll see jdflutes A 528 Hertz. Right on the bottom, folks. Folks, this flute here, it has to me it has a warm, calming voice. It has a very deep, also a mellow voice, and this flute to me is perfect for relaxation, calming music. I just enjoy its voice. Let me know what you all think. It has a deep, soothing voice. very soothing, like I said, calming, mellow voice. And to me, it's just so relaxing. And I hope you all enjoyed it. Like I said, to me, it has a clear voice. If you would like to have one of these frequency of love flutes in the key of bass A, just simply give me a phone call to 910-843-1738 or shoot me an email to jdflutes@yahoo.com. If you email me, I will send you a list of sale prices. As of right now, this flute is on sale. And I promise you will not go wrong with the quality of these flutes with these type of prices. It really takes something, folks, to make a flute that's this large, period. And to get it to sound really well, like this one here does, it really takes some effort to get these flutes to play like that. So I promise you, you will not go wrong with this quality. So just shoot me an email, folks. I'll give you that list of sale prices. And thank you so much for everything. I know you can tell I'm a little bit tired. This was a really rough week. I made a lot of flutes this week. I got a lot of them out. I'm extremely tired today. But I'm so grateful that God's given me this strength to make these flutes. I love each and every one of them. And I really enjoyed making them, folks. I love this. I love to hear each one's voice when it's been created, when it's gotten made. I love each and every one. Everyone's different. And like I said, if you would like one, contact me, folks. Thank you so much for everything.